Okay. All right. So we are going to a prom right out. So we're going to, I guess, drive our cars and take some people to prom. That's basically what it is. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Guess what we're taking? Yeah, that one. All right. So I'm scared to drive this car because we do have a slow leak. Whoop. We do have a slow leak, and I'm hoping it's gonna last until the end of the cruise. But this is the test run because it's been so long since we've driven this vehicle. And yeah, fingers crossed for this. Like, seriously. Did you get the air pump? You don't think we need it? Alright, y'all heard it right. We were originally supposed to go on the SEMA pre-rally Congress cruise, but the schedule said rain. Not the schedule, but you know, yeah, it said rain, so I was like, that's not gonna work, let's cancel. So we're doing that in a little bit, and now we are going to a prom ride out escort thing. So yeah, yes, it's raining. Yes, my tires suck. Yeah, yes, we're doing 150. But anyways, yep. So that's the plan for today. Let's go have some fun. Yay.
36 miles.
Yeah, that. So he did a bike ride in Baltimore. She had a soccer game this morning. I had a soccer game this morning. I'm not soccer. I don't play soccer right now. I had a softball game this morning, and I had a softball game last night. Yeah. So I'm like tired. Came home and did 3 hours of sleep apparently. So that's fun. Evidence of the very last drive we did. It is now May, basically May, and go drive up. They're getting it too.
Don't you want your own?
Yeah. I'm trying to.
You told me to go up.
I know I did. What's up, man? Hi. Good. In Wolverine's car?
Yeah, he's in Wolverine's car.
Dang. We got 50 cars for one person.
We overdid it a little bit.
Showing the community love. Let's go! I've been trying to get footage.
So I need your number because I need you to be my emergency contact.
I got you.
When I started calling, I said, wait a minute.
I think he's like in the middle.
Thank you guys. Love you guys. Oh, I didn't even see Bryce here. Oh, there go your car.
Yeah.
Thank you, Morgan. Thank you. Yes, Legion. Thank you.
I hope they put them in the last one. I'm sorry.
No, that's
Okay.
All right, have fun. You the last one?
No. There's a truck behind us.
There was a truck?
Yeah.
Can you take 2 people? Look, some cars are too low to take 2 people.
Oh, my car is factory.
I feel violated. Look who he probably hurt.
So yeah, I went that way saying she gets easily distracted. Let me go find her. I'm like, she was over there. So he went that way, and I guess you came.
I was on the phone, but why he disrespect my car like that? Nobody parks a lower car with the ass over top of the thing.
It wasn't easy to get in here.
No, but you got some. Look at my like literally look at my bumper. Like,
I think that's why he. Oh, okay.
you see?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I at least raised mine up, so he meant well.
He meant well. So, if you're a car person, you already know mandatory is eating out after any drive. It's like we drive so much that we need to eat.
You follow me. Why he decided to get over?
Oh, so much food in here.
Every day, every hour.
Remember, kick him in his head when he's in. Is that that new?
Trying to compare the 3 of y'all. The 3 of y'all.
Smile. I'm holding it back.
Cruised from San Diego to Neptune's Nest, which is in Malibu, 3 hours away. Then went to the mountains in Julian. Then to the desert, the street race. That was in one day. That was thinking about that. So it's not.
They're gonna be
We all gotta go out the back door. Let's go.
What is happening? Marcus.
So. I gotta pay for the coffee.
Oh my god. Alright, and that's a wrap for today. Now it's time to get some sleep. So yeah, good days, good time.